Hi guys, today we are doing a car garage fun video and I am going to choose a tractor to dress up and sort out its wheels and decorate it. So here comes my little tractor. So let's start cleaning it. Yay! So, as you can see, you just get a sponge and just wipe all over it, whatever you're doing. Wipe, 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 wipey, wipey, wipe. So now, after that, you can, this little thing that I'm holding, that sorts out it gets rid of all of these little denties. Denties that I've got tracked in the tractor. It's a very posh tractor. So now we need to pump up the wheels. Now to make it move. Make it move. Now we have to give it some fuel. This you can't just pour it all in. You've got to look at the fuel thing, and when it says full, you can stop. And then you'll go on to the next thing, which is decorating. Yay! Yeah. So, I'm going to choose my paint colour. Yellow glue. Stop it, you two! I know you're hungry. We can hear you on the video. You did it last time. Those little piggies. What's that little bear doing up there? What is that bear doing up there? Now, the extra speed. Well, not much extra speed. Yeah, it should work. Let's go flying! What? Can't even get up the hill. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!